In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up a company in Hubspot CRM. Whether you're new to HubSpot or just need a refresher, this guide will take you through each step in just 5 minutes. Before we dive in, let's set the context. HubSpot CRM is a powerful tool designed to help businesses seamlessly manage customer relationships, track contacts, and automate sales processes. Setting up a company within this platform is foundational, enabling you to organize your client and prospect information more effectively. So let's get started. First, open your preferred web browser and go to the HubSpot homepage. HubSpot, as you might already know, offers a range of software and tools tailored to business needs. Once you land on the homepage, you'll see an option in the top right corner that says Log In. Click on this link to proceed. This will take you to the login page where you'll need to enter your credentials. If you don't have an account yet, make sure to sign up to take full advantage of what HubSpot can offer. Once logged in, navigate to the HubSpot home interface. This is often where all your available tools and options are displayed. From here, look for the section labeled as CRM. The CRM tool within HubSpot helps streamline your client interactions and manage your company data seamlessly. Clicking on the CRM option will lead you into the CRM dashboard, your central hub for all client and contact management activities. Now, once you're in the CRM dashboard, direct your attention to the navigation bar where you'll find an option labeled Companies. By selecting this option, you enter the space where all your existing company records are stored and managed. This is your go-to area for organizing and viewing company-specific details. To add a new company, search for and click on the Create Company button, usually located towards the top of the screen. This is a crucial step that initiates the company setup process. Once you click this button, a form will appear prompting you to enter various details about the company you wish to add. This might include fields like the company name, domain, and other important identifiers or data points essential for your records. As you fill out this form, ensure that all information is accurate and up to date. Doing so will benefit you in maintaining an organized and effective CRM environment. After completing the form, take a moment to review all entries for accuracy. When you're satisfied with everything, simply hit Save and voila! Your company has been successfully added to HubSpot CRM. And there you have it, a quick and effective way to set up a company in HubSpot CRM. Remember, keeping your data organized within the CRM is vital for efficient client management and streamlined operations. Thanks for following along, and I hope this tutorial helps you harness the power of HubSpot for your business needs.